This is answering.
What are you do?
I'm armor check and I'm seeing at these motors.
Ji.
This is motor.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the motor.
And
Okay. This is the number of motors.
there are three numbers of motors. And where is the brain? Okay. This is full brain, no?
Yeah. This is the brain.
This is full brain. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
First step,
First step is to
motor and shaft.
connect the motors.
Motors.
This
Shaft.
what
Iron
is
shaft.
called iron shaft. How do we connect? We need this, no?
Yes.
Where would this put it?
Oh.
Put it here.
This one.
Oh, this one. Okay,
Yeah.
Here. Oh, like this.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Oh yeah.
We have to pull this out. Can you identify this motor? Are these all motor have the one type or they are of different type doing it?
No.
They are of same type.
Same type.
Okay. Where can I
But
fix this?
only on difference of the colors.
Difference of the color.
Oh.
So there must be some difference in their functionings.
No. And then remove this. Firoz.
Firoz. Okay, thank you, Firoz, for this instructions. And with your help, I built this robot for the first time in my life. Thank you. And I hope this.
थोड़ा वर्क आई कैन
Yes.
इसको वर्क करके दिखाएंगे ना.
Yeah. And today I have to push this button, and let's see it's move or not. Wow! Can you see it? That is my robotic motors, and this is moving, and I'm success. And my opponents are looking at me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very much happy. Thank you so much, Firoz, for the rightful instructions.
Thank you.